Here's a video for anyone sitting the Combined Science Physics for the Edexcel. This video is going to show you everything that you need to know for the exam. Paper 1, Paper 2, core practicals. Have a look in the contents on the video and just jump to the section that you're interested in. If there's any requests, then I'll expand on the topics and explain what each one means. So this is the official specification. I'll put a link so you can download it and have an electronic copy of it for yourself. And print it out if you want and use it as a checklist. If the specification gets slimmed down for any reason in 2021, then I'll redo the video and show you what it is you need to learn. I'm not going over the biology and chemistry, but I will quickly show you the overview. So obviously for anyone doing the combined science, there's 6 papers that you've got to sit. And they're called papers 1 up to paper 6. Paper 1 is actually the biology paper 1. Paper 2 is the biology paper 2. Now because there's 6 exams to sit, if you take 100% and divide it by 6, that comes out as 16.67. So each paper has the same weighting in terms of the percentage, and all papers are worth 60 marks. Paper 3 and paper 4, that is the chemistry paper 1 and the chemistry paper 2. And finally paper 5 and paper 6 is the physics paper 1 and the physics paper 2. On each of these slides it shows you what topics that are going to appear on the paper. So you can see for paper 1 you need to learn about topic 1, key concepts of physics, topic 2, motion and forces, topic 3, conservation of energy, topic 4, waves, topic 5, light and the electromagnetic spectrum, topic 6, radioactivity. For paper 2, again topic 1, key concepts of physics, that's on both papers. There is no topic 7, that's triple only. Topic 8 is energy, forces doing work. Topic 9, forces and their effects. Topic 10, electricity and circuits. There's no topic 11, that's triple only. Topic 12, magnetism and the motor effect. Topic 13, electromagnetic induction. Topic 14, particle model. Topic 15, forces and matter. These are just pages that's helpful for teachers rather than students, so I'll just skip over them. You can pause the video if you want to have a look at them. Practical work, biology, chemistry, physics, to do with core practicals. So you wouldn't have done much practicals this year, 2020, 2021, but you are supposed to know about the practicals and theoretically have learned certain skills that you can talk about. I'm just going to skip right through all the biology. I'm just going to skip right through the chemistry. Okay, so here's a breakdown of the physics and it tells you what paper they'll be on. So remember, the physics paper 1 is the overall combined paper 5 and the physics paper 2 is the overall combined paper 6. So topic 1, key concepts of physics, they will be on both your physics paper 1 and your physics paper 2. These topics are just for your paper 5, which is the physics paper 1. So for physics paper 1 you need to learn about motion and forces. There's some more, there's some more, and there's some more. Topic 3 will be on your physics paper 1, conservation of energy. So this is what you've got to learn for that. Topic 4, waves. Topic 5, light and the electromagnetic spectrum. Topic 6, radioactivity. Now, these topics are for paper 6, which is the physics combined paper 2. So topic 8, energy, forces, doing work, that'll be on your paper 2. So this is what you've got to learn. Topic 9, forces and their effects. Topic 10, electricity and circuits. Topic 12, magnetism and the motor effect. Topic 13, electromagnetic induction. Topic 14, particle model. Topic 15, forces and matter. And that's what will be on your paper 2. Here's an overview. Once again, shows you what's on your paper 1, which is your biology paper 1. Paper 2, which is your biology paper 2. Paper 3, which is your chemistry paper 1. Paper 4, which is your chemistry paper 2. Paper 5, which is your physics paper 1. And this is what's on paper 6, which is your physics paper 2. These are the mathematical skills that you should have picked up and that you'll be tested for. This is a command word taxonomy, which is a breakdown of the type of words that they'll use in the questions that you'll get. So the following table lists the command words used in the external assessments. So the question, it might say add a label. That's what you've got to do. It could ask you to assess something or calculate something, comment on, compare. The main thing that students get mixed up is the difference between if a question asks you to describe something, how do you do that? And if a question asks you to explain something, how do you do that? So these definitions will tell you exactly what it is that you're supposed to do and how you structure your answer in your exam. So that's a pretty useful piece of information. That's just a periodic table for your chemistry. Now these are important. These are equations in your combined science that you should be able to recall from memory. So you need to memorize these and apply. So all of these equations that I'm about to show you, you need to memorize them. I've got a nice video all to do with these equations. These equations are equations that you should be able to select and apply. So you'll be given these equations in the exam. You just need to make sense of them, choose the correct one for a particular question, and then use it. It is good, obviously, if you've had a look at them prior. So looking at them now is a good thing to do. So you're not just seeing them for the first time in your exam. Here's all the units that you need to be familiar with. The apparatus and techniques that you should have done during your biology, your chemistry, and your physics lessons. These are the core practicals that you could be asked about in the exam. So this is an important page, and so is that. And then down here is a little bit more of a description about the core practicals for your biology, your chemistry, and your physics. So again, these pages are useful, especially if you haven't had much opportunity to think about or to do the practicals. And then these are just sheets for teachers. So I hope that video will be useful for you. One thing's for sure, the students who pass are the students who take responsibility for themselves. That's very important, especially at the moment. If after watching the video you realise that there's some gaps in your education, then make sure that you either help yourself or get the help that you need in order to plug those gaps. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss notifications for future videos. Work hard, be nice, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.